Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, and those that are new, welcome to the channel. I hope you find everything that you like. This video is to let you know the changes to the membership side of the channel, which have taken effect as of 2026. For sure, we've tested it out for the last part of 2025. It was voted in among the members to do a little bit of tweaking to what the membership is. So previously, we have done a live sew-alongs on Wednesday nights for members. Less and less people were able to make it at a designated time. So we have voted in and opted to put it to a pre-recorded format. So what that means is, rather than having a course, a live sew-along course every Wednesday, I am now doing pre-recording the full course series, releasing them to the members at the beginning of the month, all of the course series. So there could be, for the chosen bag of the month, there could be 2, 3, or 4 classes or courses depending on the complexity of the bag. And I'm releasing them all at once so everybody can work through them through the month at their own speed. Now, these courses are recorded in real time. I talk you through it. It's all live. You will hear my dogs barking in the back room. You'll hear the activity outside or whatever, but they are in real time. So you can sew along with me. Now, another thing you can do is, as a member, if you are having any issues with anything, you can contact me and I will help you one-on-one. That is one of the membership benefits. So I really do hope that you guys like the new format. It's a little bit different. We don't have the live banter and chat as we usually do in the past, but at the same time, it is more focused instruction, which is what everybody seemed to be wanting. So I'm hoping, if you aren't already a member, that you will consider joining and seeing if you like it again, and you have access to me one-on-one if you do need help. So the membership tiers, we do have our tier number 4, which is called the VIP of the month. Is for $24.99 Canadian. What that does is get you all of the other tiers. There's 5 other tiers, access to all of those, as well as get you into a monthly draw for a $25 Canadian gift card, e-gift card, to anywhere of your choosing that I can buy any gift card if you are the winner and you're crowned the VIP Beans Peep of the Month person. Tier number 3 is where our weekly courses come on. So that's $19.99 Canadian a month. That gets you the current courses, which are and the ones below it that are to 5 months old. So the past 5 months worth of courses, as well as the current course. Again, you get one-on-one help. I'm just looking at my descriptions here. You also get early access to monthly tutorials. Tier number 2 is $10.99 a month. I've tried to make a price point for everybody to do this. So that gets you, all of the courses are 6 to 11 months old. Tier number 1 is $4.99 a month. It's called the Beans Peeps Club. That gets you access to anything that's 12 to 18 months old. Now, once things get to 18 months old for those courses, they are released for free on the public side of the channel, but you got to wait 18 months for that. So if you don't want to, you can always do this. Then there's tier number 0. It's called the Just Thanks. I had a lot of people wondering how they could send some funds to help out with my costs. As you know, providing free content on the public side of the channel, it's costly. You have your lighting, you have your materials, you have your subscriptions to what have you to be able to do the videos, all of the software. There is a lot involved, believe it or not. And thankfully, thanks to the tier number 0, which is where you can just say, hey, I really like this video, I'm going to supplement you with $1 a month or whatever, you can go ahead and enter into there. Well, it's $1.99 a month. That's just like a Just Thanks. You will also get early access to tutorials for all the tiers. So if I'm releasing a tutorial on a Saturday, I will release it to the membership first before those Saturdays or what have you happen, and you'll get early access to those as I start pre-recording those tutorials. Another way you can support the channel is the coffee account. That's like giving me a one-time tip to buy me a coffee. And again, everything that goes into the coffee account goes right back into the channel to buy equipment, software, supplies, whatever is needed to continue to give this content for the members, the paid content to the members, as well as the free content to the public side of the channel. So I have linked down below all the links of where you can go to join the membership. I truly hope that you will consider doing it. You can join it for just a month. make sure you check out the membership content, see if there's anything that sparks your interest. There's some really great things in there. I really do hope you like it. And if there's any questions, feel free to shoot me an email. Again, all my information is down below, and I will catch you guys again. Bye.